Need a quick and easy way to take ordinary cans like these and remove the tops like this, or break them down like this? If so, we'll show you just how easy it is with this improved dual-bladed tool for cutting soda cans. We introduced you to this single-bladed tool designed by FM Tuve. The link to that video will be in the description. This newly improved tool boasts not one, but 2 cutting blades as seen here. It also features 2 support walls and a collar to secure the can in place while cutting. If you have a 3D printer, the link to the STL files will be in the description. If you don't own a printer, there will be a link to have your own cutting tool printed for you. The assembly process for the cutter will be nearly identical to the single-blade cutter. Let's run through the parts checklist before we put it together. In addition to the cutting tool body, you'll need 2 blade housing cover plates, 2 blade advancing trays for our cutting blades, 2 pieces of utility knife snap blades. You'll need 9mm snap blades for the cutter. You'll need 2 blade advancing knobs plus enough 3mm hardware to assemble the tool. To start, we'll need to put a 3mm nut in slot as shown. Now we need to insert a snap blade into the blade advancing tray as shown. And then we insert the blade tray into the channel as seen here. Next, we take a blade housing cover plate and insert 2 nuts into the hex-shaped holes. Now we place the blade housing cover plate over the blade tray and the nut. Finally, we insert the bolts and tighten them over the plate one at a time as shown. Lastly, we insert the already completed blade advancing knob to complete the first blade assembly. Then we repeat the previous steps to complete the second blade assembly. And we're ready to cut some cans. To remove the bottom of a can, first place the lift wheel inside the cutter as shown. Now insert an empty soda can, like so. Twist both blade advancing knobs until the blades tighten around the can. You should feel some resistance when you attempt to rotate it. Once the knobs are tightened, grip the cutter around the collar and slowly rotate the soda can to begin the cutting process. Once you have the blades sufficiently tightened around the can, the bottom should come loose after a few rotations. To remove the bottom, lift the cutter and tap the piece until it falls out as shown. Remove the lift wheel and retract the blades, then insert a can, top first followed by a full soda can, as seen here. Rotate the blade advancing knobs to advance the blades into cutting position. Use the full soda can to rotate the empty one that you want to cut, as seen here. After a few rotations, the top should come free as well. Discard the cut pieces of can and make sure to retract the blades. Need to remove just the top of a can? No problem. Just remove the lift wheel and insert your can, opening down as shown here. Tighten the blade advancing knobs to advance the blades into cutting position. Grip the cutter securely and rotate the can as shown. The top should come free after a few rotations. After lots of use, you'll need to change the blades. First, remove the blade advancing knob. Set the knob aside, secure the nuts, then remove the first bolt as shown. Now remove the second bolt. Hold the nuts secure with a finger over the back of the plate. Remove the housing cover plate to expose the blade tray, then remove it as shown. Remove and dispose of the old blade. Use a pair of pliers to break off a new section of 9mm snap blade. Insert the replacement blade into the advancing tray as shown. Insert the tray with the new blade into the housing. Finally, take the blade housing cover plate and install it back over top. Secure the plate as seen here, then insert and tighten the first bolt. Now insert the remaining bolt and tighten it as well. Finally, insert the blade advancing knob and rotate into position. And that's it. Repeat the same steps to replace the remaining blade. This newly improved cutting tool should cut your processing time in half. With its efficient dual blade cutting system and stabilizing collar, you should get solid cuts nearly every time. Don't forget to check the links in the description to find out how to make or get one of these amazing tools. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.